Imagine stepping into what looks like $1 million garden, only to find out it cost barely a few $100. Too good to be true? Not with these tricks. Every tip we're about to share is low cost, even free, but the results scream luxury. Stay tuned for number 1. It costs nothing but will change your whole yard. If you love insider property secrets, subscribe to the Property Blueprint for smart DIY design tips. Forget everything you think you know about landscaping. You don't need a big budget to achieve a designer look. We are the Property Blueprint, and we will help you create stunning yards on a shoestring. In this video, we'll show 10 expert tricks that make your garden feel high-end without breaking the bank. From low-cost materials to psychological hacks, these are the pro secrets you won't find in a typical gardening blog. Stick around for trick number 1. It costs literally nothing and will leave you speechless. Ready? Let's transform your garden on a dime. 10. Spray paint your old pots. Most people discard faded clay and plastic pots, thinking only brand new containers will spruce up a garden. Actually, you can turn those dull pots into chic, unified planters for just the cost of 1 can of spray paint. Here's the trick. Buy a stone texture spray paint, about $10 a can, and coat all your mismatched pots. Instantly, those buckets of thrift store or dollar store pots will look like designer planters from a fancy nursery. Use the same paint color on each pot to create harmony. Designers call this repetition, and it makes a garden feel polished, intentional, and undeniably expensive. For a pro tip, arrange pots in odd-numbered groups, 3s or 5s, along a path or patio. Odd groupings are a subconscious signal of thoughtfulness in design. The best part? This makeover costs less than a new latte, whereas buying even one premium pot can set you back $30 or more. And while we're talking about making cheap things look luxe, the next trick will make your entire lawn look like it was professionally edged and manicured. 9. Cut a perfect lawn edge. There's nothing that screams luxury like a crisp, clean edge where your lawn meets the flower beds or patio. Most yards have ragged edges, letting grass spill into beds. It makes even an expensive garden look sloppy. To fix this cheaply, don't rent an edger for the day. Instead, use a manual half-moon lawn edger or even a sharp spade. It takes just 5 to 10 minutes around the perimeter of your lawn, and the effect is dramatic. You'll create a neat border that highlights beds and hardscapes. In fact, studies show a well-manicured lawn can give you a 217% return on investment in perceived home value. Clean edges are a big part of that, signaling care. Add mulch or dark gravel against that edge for contrast, and suddenly even a tiny yard looks designer curated. Now that your lawn looks prim, let's give your plants a boost from the ground up. 8. Buy bulk compost, not bags. Healthy soil is the foundation of a lush garden, but the mistake most DIYers make is overpaying for bagged compost and mulch. A 40-pound bag of compost can cost $5 to $7, yet a cubic yard of bulk compost, 300 pounds or more, at a landscape supplier might only be $20 to $30. Buying in bulk can cost as little as 1/3 of what those bags cost per volume. One analysis found that bagged compost would have to be under $2.25 per bag to match bulk pricing, which is rarely the case. Call a local landscape supply. Many will even deliver by truck. Pile it high in your beds, and plants will shoot up twice as fast thanks to better nutrition. Plus, with extra compost, you can be lavish. Mulch thickly, top-dress lawn, and everything instantly looks fuller and more cared for. Now that our soil is top-notch, let's play a trick on the eyes. 7. Hang a mirror on your fence. Feel like your garden is too small? Most people start removing furniture or plants, but pros start adding a mirror. It's a classic designer move. A mirror on a fence or wall reflects the garden, making the space appear much bigger and greener. House and Garden calls mirrors the unsung hero for making small gardens look larger. The key is placement. Angle it to reflect a nice view, for example, a tree or flower bed, not a plain wall. You can use an old framed mirror or even polished metal panels. In daylight, it doubles greenery. At night, add fairy lights in front for a magical illusion of depth. Just one mirror, often under $30, can make passers-by think the yard wraps endlessly. Speaking of growing things, let's talk about how to multiply plants without spending hundreds. 6. Grow. Plants from cuttings. Plants can be pricey. A single $20 perennial can quickly add up, but you have a free nursery in your own yard. Instead of buying new, propagate existing plants. Many shrubs, perennials, and even fruit trees root easily from cuttings. For example, snap off a 6-inch cutting of rosemary or geranium, stick it in moist potting soil, and in weeks you'll have a whole new plant. I've taken one rose bush and made 5 new bushes this way. The material's cost is almost zero, just some rooting powder, a few dollars, but the yield is exponential. Multiply your lushest plants across the garden beds. Pro tip: name-friendly volunteer plants like mint, oregano, or succulents root in water too. One study even notes that sharing plants among neighbors is common, because each person gets more plants to enjoy for essentially free. Now that your beds are brimming, let's unify the look. 5. Repeat. 1. Cheap plant. Throughout the yard, new gardeners often buy a dozen different plants for variety. Ironically, that can make the yard look haphazard and small. The pro move? Repetition. Choose one attractive, budget-friendly plant and use it liberally. For instance, buy 5 pots of $5 Gora or Salvia and plant them in clusters or evenly spaced out. Repeating the same plant or color throughout creates rhythm and cohesion, the very signature of an expensive design. It's like having a theme song playing softly in the background of your garden. Design experts say repeating plants makes a garden feel polished, intentional, and undeniably expensive. One cheap ground cover used as a filler, or one shrub lining the border, can read like a curated custom landscape. Plus, buying in quantity often gets a discount. Many nurseries give deals for multiples. With plant palettes on point, let's light things up, literally. 4. Use solar uplights, not traditional path lights. Ambient lighting is usually an afterthought, but it sells nighttime magic. Regular wired path lights cost $50 plus each and need trenching, which can easily run thousands in labor. Instead, use affordable solar spotlights/uplights to highlight trees, walls, or fences. Solar fixtures run on sunshine, no electric bill, and cost as little as $15 to $30 each. Lawn Starter notes they're budget-friendly, with cheaper installation since there's no wiring. Aim them upward to create depth and drama. A silhouette of a tree or a wall of light instantly reads luxury. Plus, Redfin reports that adding landscape lighting adds about $2,500 in home value, about a 59% ROI. In practice, use 2 to 3 solar uplights around a feature tree or architectural plant. At night, the effect is stunning. Even a small $20 light can punch far above its weight. Now you've set the stage. Let's make one item stand out. 3. Invest in one statement plant. Instead of many ordinary plants, put that money into one great specimen. It could be a dwarf flowering tree, a large ornamental grass, or a sculptural shrub. For about $100 or so, you can buy a mature plant that instantly becomes the focal point of your garden. This is a classic high-end design trick, one dramatic element. Fine gardening says a focal point, grabs attention, and gives the eye a place to rest. Buyers know mature plants add real value. Redfin notes each mature tree can add $1,000 to $10,000 to a home's value. So your $100 splurge pays off in perception. Examples: a potted fig tree on a terrace, a cluster of tall bamboo in a corner, or a flowering dogwood as a centerpiece. Surround it with simpler plants to make it pop. This single-star trick makes anyone think you have a designer's budget, even though you saved by ditching dozens of tiny plants. 2. Build a gravel path with steel edging. Why spend $15 plus per square foot on expensive pavers when you can get a stunning path for a fraction of the cost? Gravel, or decomposed granite, is cheap, as low as $40 per cubic yard. Pair it with simple steel or plastic edging, $2 to $3 per foot, and you have a defined, elegant walkway. This looks so professional, neighbors will think you hired a hardscape crew. In fact, a well-designed path has a 100% ROI on value, essentially paying for itself. To do it, outline your curve or line with the edging, tamp it in straight, and pour gravel to about 2 to 3 inches thick. Sweep it smooth. The texture and color of the gravel add instant charm. Golden pea gravel or tan decomposed granite both look upscale. Contrast light gravel against darker beds for even more punch. Bonus: gravel paths drain well and are maintenance-free. Finally, tie all these upgrades together with the ultimate insider tip. 1. Design the view from inside first. All the tricks above matter most when your garden is seen, and the primary audience is often you indoors. Top designers advise planning your garden around the window views. Treat each window as a picture frame. Ask yourself what scene you want to see when standing in your kitchen or living room. For example, plant an eye-catching shrub, or place a sculpture where it'll be front and center from your sofa. Remove clutter or trash bins from sightlines. You can even install a small patio or fountain directly visible from indoors. According to House, the first thing to do is think of windows as picture frames. Does it land on something attractive or a garbage bin? By prioritizing what you see from inside, your garden will feel custom designed and inviting every time you look out. It's a free trick, just a matter of perspective. But it makes your yard look intentional and complete. There you have it. 10 insider hacks that turn a modest garden into a showpiece. With these ideas, your yard can look like it cost thousands, even though you spent maybe a few hundred. Remember, thoughtful design and a few clever tweaks can dwarf the need for a big budget. Which trick will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. I read everyone. And if you love boosting property value on a budget, hit like and subscribe to The Property Blueprint. More expert tips are coming. Next up, we've got more landscaping secrets and even some indoor gardening hacks on deck. Stay tuned, and here's to gardens that fool everyone into thinking you hired a pro.